Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with Costco. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying your current sales strategies. Analyze your current customer base to understand their preferences. Research Costco's membership model to grasp how they generate loyalty. Evaluate your pricing strategy in comparison to Costco. Consider adopting a bulk sales approach similar to Costco. Explore ways to create value through membership offers. Incorporate a strong return policy to enhance customer trust. Focus on quality and value in your product offerings. Utilize in-store demos or samples to engage potential customers. Create an exclusive loyalty program to mimic Costco's membership perks. Implement a tiered pricing strategy to cater to different customer needs. Leverage social proof through customer testimonials and reviews. Analyze promotional tactics that attract customers, such as limited-time offers. Work on building relationships with suppliers to improve inventory management. Engage with your community through events and sponsorships. Track the performance of your new strategies through key metrics. Adjust your approach based on customer feedback and sales data. Keep refining your strategies to stay competitive in the market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.